Hey y'all. I might look a little different because I actually am having a dental cleaning today, and let me fix this camera. So I don't really like wearing my good upper there, just because I'm like, I have to glue it in and whatnot, and to have to remove it, and son of a gun, my thing just broke. To have to remove it is a hassle and get all the glue off before they can clean my teeth or implants. So I always wear my backup. I don't think I've ever been on camera to show you guys this backup, so it needs some work. So I have it in right now with no glue. I don't think I can eat with it because I never have. But it needs, so up here, it goes up really high. See? It needs to be trimmed down up here a bunch so that this gets rose up because it's dropping. Aesthetically, it's pretty.
Mom.
I'm doing a video. But my bite is off because there's so much upper stuff right here that it's pushing it down.
Hi.
Yes, honey, they said hi. So it's just like, feels like I have to constantly do that. It doesn't feel like my gums are hitting the front part of the denture, because this is pushing it down. This muscle up here is really strong. It's not clicking it out, but it is pushing this down. Mind all the loud stuff. I have 5 kids. But I wanted to show you guys because it is pretty. It's
But mine's not pretty.
yes, yours is pretty too. This is the same teeth, just arranged a little different. That's in my original. It just needs this shaved up so that it lifts up, and then it would be great. But yeah, so I'm getting my implants cleaned today, and it's always fun. Always really expensive. Most dentists,
I don't like my mommy leaving.
most dentist offices, most dentist insurance do not cover implant cleaning. So you're looking at paying $100 to $140 to have your implants cleaned every 6 months. I am really behind on mine because of COVID. I was actually supposed to have mine done in like March, but then I had Presley.
My makeup. Look at my makeup.
I had Presley, and then COVID hit, and they just got so behind. And then when I was able to get in,
I'm gonna go get my
I had another appointment that I could not miss. So, yeah. So this is my appointment that I was supposed to have in March. It's super important to get your implants cleaned every 6 months. I feel disgusted because I haven't had mine done, but I am very, very big on cleaning them, water picking them, because I have the bar. So I'm very big on all of that. So I make sure that I do stay on my hygiene, cleaning them twice a day, mouthwash, and everything.
See my
All right, shut my door because your brother's being loud, please. Jericho, be quiet. Jericho. But I will talk to you guys later, and I'll let you guys know later on in another video how my dental cleaning went. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.